What you really at all?
What kind of little bit of money that you're saying?
What you mean a little bit of money that me send come give you?
And that message for a little bit of money.
You remember certain things? Me I go through a certain phase right now.
You always a go through phase.
You forget so the money take with me thing and me end up in almost reaching a bankruptcy.
But that I almost reach. You have money now to just mean.
You know, say you're unreasonable.
In you, and in your other 6 baby.
Listen to me. Don't mention my 6 baby mother in this.
Well, the one you had the last one.
Yeah, me know say that one you had the last one.
It's like them for eat and my picnic for starve. Or what?
Me have to make sure say everybody eat. And my youth them, so me have to take care of them. I don't want the next man go running at them life. So now, just understand what me I try to say. Some money soon reach you. Right now it's a project me I go look on for deal with that thing.
You know your project them and none now work.
Sonia, it a go work, Sonia. It a go work. Just have little patience, the man.
All me I say is that me not
Sonia, hold on. Bridget.
Where the money where you promised me?
Me tell you some soon send you some money.
So all I'm gonna go wait, Mr. Sullivan.
Just want me deal with this one, me I go deal with now.
Hold on.
Anyway, me dep on a call with somebody for deal with a project where me I go deal with right
I know why you
now.
bought
So me
no
call you
project.
back.
You always talk about project.
Sonia,
Yes, Trevor.
just understand what me I try to say. You are my last baby mother and I you me I work with. Just give me a chance now to prove this to you. Me I beg you. Alright?
Just know why you put me on this video, Trevor.
Yes, Sonia. Sonia just
Be on this video.
we gotta work this out, man. Hold on. Camille.
Nasty, dirty.
Camille, calm down now, man. Why you raise up your voice, sir? Listen, you soon get some money.
How soon is soon? Eh? Look how
Just-
long. Me a wait.
Believe me, no, man. Me up on a call a deal with a project right now.
Yeah.
Alright?
Lion.
We talk.
If you ever, I'm up the phone.
Sonia, just understand what me I try to say. Here what? So when I leave down here, so I come straight up at the house.
Look for me.
Yeah, man. Me bring something for you, man. You want ice cream?
Yeah.
Alright.
Roman raisin.
Patsy,
Trevor, walk on. Now you fine?
me I come check you later, man.
You sure?
Yeah, man, me I come check you later. The youth alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright, good. We talk.
Just like the police, man.
Sonia,
Yeah, Trev.
remember, so me I come check you later. Me I bring the ice cream. So just calm down yourself, man. We are gonna make this work.
Alright.
Later.
Later. I love you, Trev.
Love you too.
Bye.
Well, me I tell you, if I live my life over again, you see, use more condom and make sure so them be a 1 yard. The 6 different yard now work, brother. Trust me. No 7. Colleen, I don't know what I go on, you know, but me I call people them and I not get through to them. I can link to them.